Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to prevent search engine to indexing our PDF or doc file in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So you can use custom code in .htaccess file for WordPress or PHP website. So we are going to hide our PDF or doc file from indexing. Now you see this PDF file we uploaded in WordPress media library and we check using online, and then you see result X report tag does not prevent indexing. Now go to WordPress. So this is our PDF file test.pdf. So we check using online. So we are going to prevent from search engine in both WordPress or PHP website by adding code in .htaccess file. Now go to Notepad. Now you see code. So by using this code we are going to prevent PDF. By using this code we are going to prevent doc file, and by using this code we are going to prevent both doc and PDF file. Now first copy this. Now go to .htaccess file. Now paste code and you will find all code in video description or in comment section. Now you see file match.pdf, header set X report tag, no index, no follow, no archive, no snippet, and then click on save changes. Now you see success message. Go to online checker again. Now refresh the page, copy this link. So you can add your PDF link. Now paste and then click on check. Now you see result X report tag prevent indexing parameter, no index, no follow, no archive, no snippet. So our code is working fine in .htaccess file. Now go to .htaccess file again. So this code is working fine and prevent PDF file from indexing. Now go to Notepad and then you see doc file, and then you see this code apply on both doc file and PDF file, and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. Now we are going to use this code for both doc and PDF file. Now copy and go to .htaccess file. So we are in htaccess file and then paste. So new code is added for doc and PDF both. Click on save changes. Now you see success message. Go to media library. So we uploaded document file. Now you see test.doc. Now click on it. Now copy URL. Now go to online checker again. Now refresh the page and then add your doc link. Now paste and then click on check. So this is our document link. So you can add code in .htaccess file for WordPress or PHP website. Now you see code is working fine. Now go to Notepad. In code you see we are using doc, but our file extension is docx. So you can use doc or docx according to your requirement like this, and you will find this all code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.